Your own body oil is always the best. This way you control what you apply on your skin. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your glow and bright oil. Bright and glow body oil. I have my lemon here. Lemon has natural brightening properties. Okay, it gets rid of pigmentation, get rid of dark spot. It brightens your skin and glows your skin effortlessly. So what I will be needing will just be the back of the lemon. Now we don't need the water of the lemon. Okay, it's just the back of the lemon that gives that lightening effect, except when you are using it for another thing. But for the sake of the oil that we are going to be making, is the back of the lemon that I will be needing. And I have my carrots here, so I will be creating all the carrots into this content. And I have turmeric here. This is turmeric. Turmeric is super glower. The same thing with carrots. Carrot will brighten your complexion. It will glow you, get rid of all the dark spots on your skin, and gives you a better, brighter complexion and lot of moisture to your skin. So I will be creating all this together. And I have my coconut oil here. So coconut oil is one of the oil that is very good if you are trying to extract any oil. I advise you to make use of coconut oil, or you make use of olive oil, but I prefer coconut oil. Okay, so this my coconut oil, pure coconut oil, not the one that they mix with cooking oil. This is pure coconut oil, okay, undiluted coconut oil. If you don't know how to make coconut oil, maybe with time I will be creating a video on how to make your undiluted coconut oil. So this is the oil I'm going to be using to extract our bright and glow, super glowing oil, okay, that will brighten our skin and give lot of moisture to our skin. So let's continue to see how I'm going to be combining this to make one oil out of all these ingredients. I'm going to be creating the back of my lemon. I've started creating my lemon, so I'm just finished creating. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to be turning this into this little pot here, because this is what I'm going to be using to extract our oil. So the next thing I'm going to be creating is my carrot and my turmeric. Okay, here, so I'm going to be turning this into this pot as well, because this is the pot I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be turning this into this pot. This is the whole content here. So I have the lemon, the turmeric, and the carrots in here. So the next thing I will be doing, I will be pouring my oil, my coconut oil, into this content. All my coconut oil, I'm going to be pouring everything inside. So I just stir it a bit. This is how it is. I just stir it. The next thing we are going to be doing, let's put on a low heat, okay, and start frying it gently until all the water of the carrot and everything has turned to oil. So just continue watching. So this is how you're actually going to be doing. You continue and you'll be stirring it. Just continue stirring it gently until all the water from the turmeric, from the carrot, everything is dried off, and it's only oil that will surface on top. As if you are frying your stew. You know, when you are frying your stew, when the stew is ready, the oil will be on top. So this is what I'm going to be doing. So you continue stirring until you make sure that it's only the oil that is on top of this your content here. There is no water content found in this anymore. So when it's finished frying, this is how it becomes. So you can see the oil here. You can see there is no water under here again. It's just the oil that is here. So I'm going to be extracting this oil into my container. So it's very simple. Just make sure that you stir it continuously and you monitor so that it will not get burned. I'm just going to be pouring this oil into my shifter to extract the oil. So this oil is very easy and simple to make. You can see in a minute it's done. So if you are not sure of the oil that they sell out there, or if you don't want any chemical oil, you just want natural, something that you can use both on dark chocolate skin, fair skin, this is a very simple way to extract this oil. So it's very easy. As you can see, I'm done. Okay, so I'm just going to be transferring my oil into this container for us to see how it is. So our oil is ready. As you can see, our oil is ready. Okay, so this is how it is. You can see turmeric is here, lemon is here, and carrot is here. So it's very easy for you to make. Just use this oil on your skin and you will love your skin so much. The brightness and the super glowing effect that this oil will give you, you just be smiling at your skin to get rid of dark spot, pigmentation, and polish your skin. So this is it in a minute. See, it's ready. So very easy to make. You can make this and sell, or you can make it for personal use. So it's very effective and safe. So if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Please help subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of it, okay? So I will be creating a video on what to add to your cream to prevent cream reaction like stretch mark, eczema, green vein, and other skin issues. So if that's something that interests you, subscribe, like, share. See you in my next video. Remember